So I'm doing another valve spring replacement on this engine. First time it was number 4, so it was in a more accessible place on the engine. This time it's cylinder 5 right there, so you can't really get any tools back there to compress the spring. So I came up with a little contraption that like if you don't want to take off the timing cover and mess with the alignment marks and all that stuff on the timing, you can remove the spring without taking all that stuff off. So here's what I came up with. Took me many tries, but I found a bolt. In this case, it's a wheel hub stud with the same thread as the spark plugs that go in these engines. This is a 3.6 Pentastar Chrysler engine, and this bolt right here is M14 by 1.25, and then I welded a nut right here because I don't have much clearance here, so I have to put one piece in, thread that in, okay, and then I have my other part here somewhere. Another couple of studs. Took me a couple of times. This one was too short, so I had to add another one. It's basically a stud with a nut welded to it. That goes in like that. Okay, and then this piece right here came from like a slide hammer with a vice grip kit, and then this part is the slide hammer rod, and that goes in like that. It's extremely hard to do it with one hand. Okay, so, and this piece came from the spring compression tool that I bought at Harbor Freight. It looks like this, but it's only to compress the springs while you have your heads out, which I really hate to do. And then when you loosen the camshaft enough, it'll give you just enough clearance to put this in, and then you gotta get your vice grips on there. Gonna slide it down that way, and then put your vice grips on there, and then it'll give you enough tension to compress the spring and pull your keepers out. So somebody needs an idea if they don't want to take out the camshafts and mess with a whole lot of crap. So here's an idea for you. Good luck.